So good afternoon to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Adani Power share. So about Adani Power, we have discussed almost 3 days back. So today we'll be discussing about the mutual fund houses. So we'll discuss which mutual funds have holding in Adani Power. So what are the recent stakes? So everything we'll discuss, and after that we'll also discuss about various bulk deals that happened in the company. So whether it may bulk or block, so everything we'll discuss, and after that we'll do how the volume has been changing on a regular basis. So we know that since past 3 to 4 days we have seen some continuous momentum. We'll see how the volume is increasing on regular basis, and then we'll switch over to the technical charts to find out the next possible levels. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so Adani Power, it is not the first time we are discussing about it. So from December 14th itself, I was telling to add at that particular level in small quantities. So in Telegram, if you have not joined, definitely join the Telegram. So today again, I'll post a set of 10 stocks that you can add to watch list, or if you're interested, you can buy them as well. So in previous video, that is in Tata Power, so when I told that we'll discuss some electric vehicle related stocks, so which segment and which stocks will be benefited, so I'll continue that series. So that was the first video, this is second video. Again, I'll continuously post my videos, and if you have any personal doubts as well, you can message me in Instagram as well. Okay, so quickly we'll discuss the volume analysis, and then we'll go to detailed expansion of the chart where you'll see day to day wise how the volume has been fluctuating, and also we'll see deliverable quantities as well. So on March 5th as well, you can see a huge increase in traded quantity was present. So that amount of traded quantity we have not seen in even in the previous sessions as well. So why that much amount of traded quantity? So because the stock was volatile. So we know that on Friday the market has shown some correction. So majorly Adani, already it has hit the upper circuit. Again, when market started correcting, again it has gone to lower circuit, again it has gone to upper circuit. So this particular big move, that is 10%, 5% down lower circuit, again 5% up upper circuit. So ultimately traded quantity will also increase. So traded quantity implies volatility. So whenever traded quantity is more, it implies volatility in that particular stock is also increasing. So generally I told that nowadays power stocks will be in red, especially Adani Power, Adani Ports, Adani Enterprises. So focus on Adani Group, all stocks, whether it may be Adani Green as well. So that also we have discussed. So apart from Adani Group, we also discussed about Tata Power. So Tata Power, Adani Power, JSW Energy, whether it may be Ratan Power. So many power stocks are there. So we'll discuss one by one. So try to keep all these stocks in radar. So Tata Power also started moving up. So simultaneously, even Adani Power, we were discussing from 32 rupees level. So from 32 rupees level, I told in Telegram as well, I discussed in various videos as well. So many people were telling about delisting. So management themselves, they have not informed anything. So there are no confirmations regarding that. So don't fix your mindset that delisting will happen. So I told all these points clearly again and again. I won't repeat. If you're interested to buy, then definitely you can go for it. Potential is there for all the power stocks. Okay, not only Adani Power, Tata Power is also having equal priority. But why I'm telling Adani Power is because government is in his hands only. So major contracts, whatever the power contracts will be there, so they will go to BJP government. So one of the major player of BJP government is Adani. So this is not any old news. This is all known to us, but we don't consider it as important. We search for stocks which give returns, but there are stocks in front of us which are given some huge returns. Adani has doubled his investment. Okay, his what I can say, assets have also doubled since the pre-COVID as well. Okay, so you can understand how much pumping is happening. Okay, so now let's study the detailed volume analysis. So let's go to chart. Okay, so if you see the day to day wise how the volume has been fluctuating, so this you can see, this side is volume, this side is deliverable percentage. So can you see this light blue color bar is nothing but the traded quantity, you can see, which has touched almost 60 million. So you can see volume has touched almost 60 million, so which is not even there. If we compare, if we go back till 22nd January, we have not seen that much amount of traded quantity. So you can see little profit booking was also seen at that particular levels, because coming to lower circuit, again going to upper circuit, it is not possible by normal people. So big players have done some trading at that particular point. So that's why that much amount of traded quantity we have seen. And apart from that, if you see day to day wise deliverable quantity, so if we see if we take last 5 days trading session also, you can see almost roughly 20, 25, 31% return has been given. Okay, you can see 31% just in starting of March month. So from 1st March to 5th March, you can see 31% return has been given. So you're understanding how much you can expect. So I told, that's why try to hold it, don't do any selling, because it is very good opportunity, right? 31% returns in just a span of 5 to 6 days, in just 1 week, is not a joke. Okay, even small investment, let's say 3,000 to 4,000, will also give you huge return. So that's why never ever neglect that. So whatever I discuss is based on analysis only. So try to understand that. If you're interested, again you do your personal analysis and then only invest. Okay. So now many people have doubts whether we can enter at this particular level. So what can be the best level? So we'll discuss that. So first, our main aim for doing this, we'll see mutual fund houses, how they have been reacting since the past quarters, and then we'll go to block deals as well. Okay, so we came back to the mutual fund houses section. So you can see this is for Jan 2021 shareholdings and fund action in Adani Power. So you can see 3 color bars. So one is blue color bar, another one is green, and another one is red. So what is blue? So blue is nothing but holder. So how many holdings have been present? So the green color one is nothing but bought, and rest of all you can see red is sold. So if you see past 2 quarters, we have not seen that much amount of buying. So only one, you can see only one is holding, that is ICICI Prudential. So one mutual fund holding is ICICI Prudential, and after that you can see they are holding, but they have not done any selling. So additional buying has also not happened yet. Okay, holding is there. So little buying was seen till August 2020. So after that we have not seen any major buying from the mutual fund houses. So you can imagine, if mutual fund houses also invest, where the stock will go, because they invest in huge quantities, right? Not in small portions. So when huge quantity comes into any stock, definitely the stock also will continuously move up. Okay, so still potential is present, so don't neglect that. So even if it corrects on Monday as well, because huge run up was given, if you get an opportunity, definitely try to invest. Okay, so next when we go to block deals, okay, block deals section as well. So you can see last 4 that is block deals that happened also. You can see flourishing trade and investment. I think we discussed about this. So if you don't know about this also, you can visit previous videos. In that flourishing trade and investment, so you can see block deal has happened on 6th January. So you can see quantity as well. So exchange has happened. So when buying and selling happens, when anybody is selling, ultimately they also buy in huge quantity. So these are the various block deals happened. So again, no block deals happened, and even bulk deals have not happened recently. Only operators activity is present. So trade cautiously. Even if you have entered at low levels, try to hold it. So if you feel that if you have got heavy profit, partially book the profit, and rest of all you can hold. Okay, so next if we see returns wise, clearly you can see 1 week it has given 34.669. that is what we have discussed. 2 months 24%, 6 months 100%, roughly 100%, 1 month 42.16, 1 year 60% returns, 3 years 141% return, 5 years you can see 152. So most of the stocks, when BJP government has come, starting from Adani Power, Adani Ports, Adani Enterprises, Adani Gas, whatnot stocks, so all of them have given run up. So especially if we see Adani Ports, now it has got major contracts, major deals are happening with it. So he is in complete swing. Ultimately, when money comes in hand, every individual tries to operate, right? Even if he has money, he will try to pump the stocks again, book the profit. So whatnot, they will do the actions, but we should see that we are getting minimum profit. We are entering at the right time and taking and exiting at the right moment as well. Okay, so we are just the participants. So they do all the operator activities. So now we'll go to technical chart. So clearly we'll understand what can be the next possible targets. Okay, before that, let's see even RSI and money flow index. RSI and money flow index, they are near 77 and 84. So strength has ultimately increased to maximum. So you can see 84 is highest point. And after that, money flow index, you can see 77.6, that has also entered overbought. So 31% returns in one day is not a joke. So that's why it has gone to overbought region. Okay, so when we go back to one day chart, so currently you can see it is near 74.35. So clearly mark this particular level, 75 rupees is the breakout region. So if it crosses 75, then again bullishness will be seen, and again it will continue its particular trend. So this was the day. On Friday we have seen some market correction was there. It has gone to lower circuit, again it has hit the upper circuit. So that's why that much amount of traded quantity we have seen when we have done the volume analysis. So what is the clear resistance? 75 is the clear resistance. Okay, what is the support? You can see 68 and 70. So these are the major support region. So again, if anyone wants to enter, try for that, or if you can wait patiently, so wait for 65 rupees level as well. If you can wait patiently, so that may or may not be achieved, depends upon the operators as well. So if you can wait, if you are waiting for the best buy for long term, definitely you can average at that particular region. So if you're already invested, that would be average price, or if you want to have a fresh investment, so that is again the level you need to focus. 65, between 65 and 70, try to focus that level, and 75 would be the resistance. If it crosses that, that is the breakout region, extreme bullishness again will be seen by the operators. Okay, as usual, money flow index wise also it is in little overbought region. Okay, so these are the major things. If you want to invest in that particular stock, we mainly today we have discussed the fundamentals. What are the mutual fund houses, ICICI Prudential? Okay, so apart from that, what they have done, holding, selling, buying. Okay, then volume analysis. So clearly we have seen that little traded quantity has increased as compared to previous months as well. So that much amount of volume has also been generated. Okay, so further, if you have any doubts as well, you can message in the comment section, as well as you can join the Telegram group. So there we are discussing some quality stocks where you can add to watch list, and also you can message me in Instagram as well. So ID is Stocks Diary YT, STOCKSDIARY YT. Okay, Stocks Diary YT. So there also you can message me. So many people are messaging right now also. So if you're having any doubts there, you can clarify, or any short term stocks you want, I'll tell based on the levels as well, so that you can earn decent profit. Okay, so until then, take care. Bye bye.